Well, well, well. Look who decided to show up. The Samsung Galaxy Z Trifold. Oh my goodness, this box is so thick. Look at that thing. Take a look at that. Coming in at a whopping $2,899 US is the Galaxy Z Trifold. Guys, you have no idea how long I've been waiting for Samsung to make a trifold and how hyped I was when I saw parts of the other world already get this phone, and now it's in my hands. And look, I'm gonna be real, guys, I'm shocked I even got this because it sold out pretty fast. Yo, this is a hefty box, I can't lie. It's a hefty box, but man, this thing's crazy. I kind of underestimated how big this box was gonna be, but here we go. I have my tripod a little higher. Let's go ahead and open this puppy up. There we go. Look at that. We got the Samsung logo up here. Let's open it all the way. Ooh, and we got this. Part of the screen or whatever, I'm assuming. This thing got some weight to it, yo. This is bad. I don't even think this is definitely out the... Oh my lord, I didn't even notice it. Oh my god, there it is. There it is. Yo, okay. All right. Calm down, Oliver, calm down. All right. I assume there's gotta be manuals and stuff here, but it's a little bit heavier. So I think there's... there's more. So, okay, before I start picking stuff out here, take a look at this. Accessory and case. Case, okay? You know what? No. Let's do the case later. Let's do the accessory first. Let's see what we get in the box. This phone is not cheap, so you'd expect it to come with some good stuff. Open this puppy up. There it is. Cable, quick start guide, SIM ejector pin. We don't really need that right now. We're just gonna put that off to the side here. Or put it on my chair. Oh, it's falling off. All right. All right. But next, we have case. Let's take a look at this. I'm actually curious. It's not too heavy. Curious what this looks like. I've not seen it in person. Ooh. Okay, we don't got anything else in this box. Go over there. Yo. Check out this case. We got some carbon fiber action going on there. Oh, I left this thing there. Let's put that to the side here. We got some carbon fiber here. Take a look. Yo, this, man, I don't like putting cases on my phones, but this is nice. It's a lightweight. This better be real carbon fiber, Samsung. It does have a little hinge protector too. That's neat. Cool, we got a carbon fiber case. That's actually pretty cool. I'll probably still be using this phone without a case, but you never know. All right, star of the show. Oh, yo, okay. We're making history, y'all. Hold on, wait. Let's get you out of the frame. Little corner frame of that. All right. Okay. All right, hold on. Yo. Oh my God. I have it in hand. Yo, this thing is so thin. This is insane. Okay. You know what we need to do? Okay, oh, we got some text here. What does that say? Oh, just fold instructions. You already know how it is. Let's just peel this thing off. Oh my. Yo, this thing is huge. Hey, what's up, guys? This thing is huge. Okay. The first fold here. So we got one fold. I'm folding it the right way, I'm pretty sure. Oh my, oh. Front peel. Ooh, that was a clean peel, y'all. Okay. Y'all, take a look. And you know what, real quick here. Let me just power it off. I'm gonna pull out my current daily driver right now for Samsung, my Galaxy S25 Ultra here. Take a look at the size. It's pretty similar to when I had my Fold 7. You know, they're pretty similar in size, to be honest, when it's like closed up. Yo, okay. it's not as heavy as I thought it was gonna be. Like, this is tolerable. But then again, I walk around with like a 10-pound laptop in my bag, so maybe I'm not the best person to judge, but yo, that is just not much thicker. It's just a tad bit thicker than my Samsung. Yo, this thing is insane. Let's put this side by side in case any of you guys are on iPhone. Put an iPhone side by side. What? Here's my iPhone 17 Pro Max again. It's not just, it's just a little bit thicker. This thing's insane. This isn't, okay, so it's not that heavy. And this is actually the same color. I don't know if you guys remember, but the Z Fold 6 had a crafted black color. Sorry, my fingerprints are on this thing. It's a little hot in here, but this is the same crafted black color that we had on the Z Fold 6. Okay, let's open this thing. It's actually not that difficult to open. Let's boot this thing up. The hinges feel very similar. If anything, they feel a little bit lighter, a bit easier to open than the Fold 7 in my opinion. Samsung. Power on. Oh, there we go. Okay. I thought it was only going to show up on the boot screen, but there it is. That massive 10-inch inner display. This is a tablet, yo, in your pocket. So specs are pretty identical to the Fold 7. We still get that 200 megapixel main camera that we get on the S25 Ultra, which is nice. But the benefits that this has is it's actually a bigger battery compared, oh baby, that screen. Take a look at that. Anyway, as I was saying, very similar in specs to the Z Fold 7. The main thing is the battery. So the Z Fold, this has a significantly bigger battery than the Z Fold 7. This one has got and this is actually the biggest battery in a Samsung phone, I believe. It's at 5,600 milliamp hours, which is even higher than the S25 Ultra. But I mean, screen this big, you're gonna need something good to power it. But it also charges at 45 watts instead of 25 watts. So it's on par to the S25 Ultra. That I'm really happy about. Oh my Lord. And this thing's light. I'm not gonna lie, it's light. Yo, this screen is massive. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, so I'm gonna pretty much go through this setup process real quick. Give me a few minutes to get to the home screen. We'll play around with the phone a little, talk about it a little bit. But yeah, I'll be right back, guys. All right, y'all, so I did pretty much all my setup and everything, and yo, I underestimated because, you know, I'm looking at it through like my viewfinder on my camera. This screen is massive, but I just wanted to show you guys this. You know, we got the same taking care of your phone instructions. We're all set up. Okay, so we have the same Z Fold 7, I believe. This is the Z Fold 7 wallpaper. Or maybe it's the 6. I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below. Is this the stock 6 or 7? 6 or 7 wallpaper? But yo, this thing is crazy. What a display. Yeah, we'll update those later. Unreal. Let's just... There it is. My dream phone. And now I'm warning you, Samsung, you guys better continue to make this thing. This has been an absolute dream. When Huawei dropped their trifold, I was dying for Samsung to make one. Y'all did it. You guys there better be a Z trifold 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like, this better continue on, because I just need to open this again. It's just so easy to open. And we got the fingerprint scanner on the side again. Oh, there we go. Sorry, my fingers are a little sweaty right now. I'm so nervous. Like, I got the trifold in front of me. Oh my gosh. But yo, guys, this thing's crazy. I will be retiring because my main phone, or excuse me, my main SIM card is currently my Galaxy S25 Ultra. I am sorry, I'm retiring you because the big boy's in town. Take a look at that. All right, guys. Actually, you know what? Before we end this, I'm not a case fan, but here, let me put it off camera real quick. Let me put the case on real quick. Okay. Okay, so I will say I like how there is no adhesives on this case because it's only for the back. Covers the hinge. Let me try opening it with the case on. Oh, there we go. Okay, Sam. Okay, you know what? Maybe, you know, maybe because of the price of this phone, we'll keep the case on. I don't know. I like the carbon fiber though. It looks way more carbon fibery, the case. So you know what? Fine, Samsung. We'll keep it on. There we have it, guys. And you know what? One thing, and I want to make sure before we cut this video, is there a charging brick in this thing? Because there still seems to feel. There it is. Is it a 45 watt? Yo, like for how much this phone costs, I was expecting like a handwritten message from TM-Row, but you know what? It's all good. Super fast charger. Is this a 45 watt? Let me take a look, y'all. I think it is. We got a 45 watt charging brick. I mean, honestly, like I shouldn't be surprised. There should be a standard for something that costs a literal kidney. We're not putting that back. Okay. That was the Galaxy Z Trifold unboxing. I'm gonna have a blast with this phone. I'm gonna spend all this time setting it up and everything. This was gonna be a quick unboxing. I will definitely be making more videos on this. I'll give you guys my updates on it, make some shorts with this thing, let you guys know how I'm liking it. Maybe we'll come back in a month. I'll give you guys my honest opinion. Oh my Lord, this thing's beautiful. All right, guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this unboxing. It's been a while since we've been doing one of these on the channel. First one of the year, more to come. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you like this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, or anything you want to let me know in the comment section below. Do you guys plan on purchasing this when it restocks? Yo, I'm gonna cut the video right now. I'm super excited to use this thing. Thank you guys for tuning in. Love you all, and I'll catch you guys in my next YouTube video. Peace out.